Welcome to the Efteling, and today we'll take the steam train.
The steam train is a free attraction in the Efteling.
It's one of the many attractions in the Efteling, and there are two train stations in the park. One is called the East, Station the East, and the other
That's
is
where we're.
that's where we're departing right now, and the other one is Station Marerijk, and that's near Dreamflight.
That's where we get off. It's a free ride. You can get around the park, and you don't have to get off. So you can take as many laps as you want. But we'll do half the park today.
And as you can see, it's an open vehicle. There are two closed ones with windows at the back, but they're quite popular. Most of the times you will sit in an open carriage like this, and it's a track around the park, almost everywhere near the fences of the park, so the outside of the park. And this is where we head off, and there we see Python, the oldest roller coaster of the park.
Yeah, the train gives you a unique view of the attraction. So it's not a place where you can walk. Here's some personnel, but as visitor you can't walk here.
Not at all the places, and you will see some back of the house as well. We will see that further on. But first we see Python, the roller coaster that was opened in 1981. And these are some unique views that you can only see from the train.
And Joris and the Draak, the wooden roller coaster right next to it.
George and the Dragon, the dueling GCI coaster. You choose one of the both tracks, water or fire, and they race against each other, and every time there's a winner, and it depends on weight and all that kind of stuff.
Who wins?
Who
Yes.
wins? And there's a very cool effect if you win when you come back in the station. But I think you have to discover that for yourself.
Or watch another on ride. You'll see that there too. And there is a lot of construction going on in the Efteling. We'll see that today as well. Here is a small example.
This is where all the traffic for the new attraction Danse Macabre enters the park. But there's a lot of stuff going on. They are getting back on track after the corona pandemic.
Yeah, a lot of maintenance, but also they're building a grand hotel and a new attraction, Danse Macabre. So there's a new re-theme of a restaurant.
There's a lot of going on, so I think it's a good thing that the Efteling puts all that money in maintenance and renewal of stuff. And here we pass by the Piranha, the
Yes. Water attraction,
the rapid river, and this bridge is really cool to walk on. You walk over the attraction and see the boats go by. I love it.
It's a rainy day in low season at the moment. That's why there's a lot of maintenance in this time. From the beginning of April, the traffic will pick up again. There will be more visitors in the park, and the maintenance will go down. So March is a really good time to visit.
If you're not demanding all attractions.
Yes.
Uh,
And if you're going for a low waiting time, less queues, then March is a good time. But you have to accept that some attractions will be
Here we
closed.
see the Fata Morgana,
Yeah.
one of the main dark rides of the park, opened in the 80s, but still a very good attraction. One of my favorites in the park.
Yes, mine as well. Really, I love dark rides, but
Arabic themed boat ride
you can compare it to Pirates of the Caribbean, but
without the sudden drops.
yeah, it holds itself. So the attraction type is the same, but the story is different, of course.
And over there you see the theater, Efteling Theater, and the entrance building, House of the Five Senses.
This is also the lake where Aquanura plays at night. Oh, at the evening.
At the evening, mostly a quarter after closure time, and it's a water spectacular. I love the shows,
Don't miss it.
especially when it's dark. So in winter time,
winter or in summer.
The late summer evenings
Yeah.
at the end of August. And here we go by. This is where the Padus Promenade starts. That's like the main street in Disney. It brings you up to the center of the park, and from there you can choose your own direction.
And we're going next to the site of the Grand Hotel. So here they're building the hotel at the moment.
This will be something like Disneyland Paris. It will be a hotel over the entrance of the park. So this will be the first time that you will be able to sleep in the Efteling.
And it will open in 2024.
2024, yeah. So they are getting up really quick. At this moment, the basement is almost finished.
There's a pool. What?
There will be a spa in the basement and 400 something rooms, I believe. We will get you up to that update from that later on.
Yes, stay subscribed if you want to stay updated.
And here we go by the back of Fairytale Forest. We just passed the 6 Swans, and these are the Emperor's new clothes. It isn't the best view, but great to see this back of the house. And now we're heading up to something you can only see if you take the steam train. That is station Fairytale Forest. It's a train station, but the train won't stop.
It's for the fairy tale characters.
Yep.
That are waiting here.
And a love is waving for us. And after this station, we will slowly drive through to Marerijk, station Marerijk.
Where you can get off and you're next to Dreamflight, next to Villa Volta. So it's a great... The train is really good to really cross the park and get to the other side.
That's for sure. And the wait is approximately up to 20 minutes. And if a train just departed, it's mostly 10 to 20 minute wait. It depends on the number of trains they are running that day. Mostly there are 2. And then it's a 10-minute wait for the next train.
But in low season it can be 20.
And here we are. So thank you for watching.
Yes, until next time.
And we hope to hear your stories from the steam train.